Welcome. Today's 1 minute topic is what's wrong with the Indian education system. The Indian education system is one of the largest in the world with over 250 million students and 10 million teachers. It's a system that has been a backbone of India's growth and development, producing some of the brightest minds in the world. However, despite its importance, the Indian education system has been facing numerous challenges that have been affecting the quality of education. Rote learning is one of the most significant issue in Indian education. Students are often forced to memorize information without truly understanding the concept, which leads to a lack of critical thinking and problem solving skills. This approach not only makes learning dull but also fails to prepare the students for the real world. The infrastructure in many schools is also a major concern. Many schools lack basic facilities like clean toilets, libraries and laboratories, making it difficult for students to learn in a conducive environment. The curriculum is often outdated with too much emphasis on theoretical knowledge and not enough on practical skills. This makes it challenging for students to apply what they learn in real life situations. I have spoken to many students and educators who have shared their personal stories of their struggle. Many students also feel that the system is too focused on grades and not enough on actual learning. The pressure to perform well in exams
can be overwhelming,
leading to stress and anxiety. The current education system is not designed to help students learn but to help them pass exams. A staggering 70% of Indian students don't have access to digital learning resources, which puts them at a disadvantage in today's technology-driven world. In conclusion, I would like to say that rote learning, lack of infrastructure, outdated curriculum, these issues have profound impact on students and educators. So it's essential that we address them to ensure a brighter future for India. The future of India depends on how well we can educate our children. It's time for us to rethink our approach to education and make it more student-centric, flexible and relevant to the needs of the 21st century. Like and subscribe for new content. Thank you.